Hello everyone and welcome to Crave Play, where there's always time for fun. Today we're going to be looking at the Little People Jumbo Jet. We have 2 passengers and a pilot, and we have a special fireman helicopter here for safety, just in case. Thank you, Mr. Fireman, for keeping us safe. So, everybody, let's go ahead and board the plane. We have this red-haired lady. She's going to sit in the front. And we have this blonde guy. He'll be back here in the back. Alright, now all we need is for the captain to take his seat and see what happens. Wow! It lights up and sounds just like a plane taking off. We have steps for them to enter.
Thank you for flying Little People Airlines.
Up we go!
You can see that the passengers are back here safe. The engines spin to show you that they're moving and flying. And you have this bright red button on top for more sounds and songs and noises.
Wow! I'm so glad we're on this adventure together!
And of course you can make your plane take off and come back and land. And then after little people have traveled to their new destination, you can open this up and let them come out. Make sure that the pilot says, "Thank you for flying with us. Thank you for flying with us." And of course the pilot needs to get home as well. So he's going to come out and have a good time. So I hope you have definitely enjoyed looking and playing with the Little People airplane. Thanks again for joining Crave Play. Remember to subscribe and that there's always time for fun.